Tara, pasok tayo. Okay. Hi mga boss, it's another time, it's another vlog and I am back. And baka nagtataka kayo kung anong oras na. It's already 12 in the morning, midnight actually, and still totoo, gising pa ako and wala naman talaga dapat akong gagawin, pero dapat mag-drawing ako, pero hindi naman ako magaling mag-drawing. But it's just one of questionable things that I am back. It's that I said na babalik ako after 2 years. Diba? Napakatagal. But in the end of the day, this is my passion. This is what I loved. And I've been doing that since when I was... And I remember, I am still grade 7. I'm still making videos despite naka-private sila lahat. I'm doing videos since grade 7, but I'm still loving it until when I was college. But again, some course of action I'm just a search of action naninibago ako kasi from that I'm just making some Minecraft videos, and ngayon I will be doing some vlogs, and I'm not just doing for my portfolio, but I just want to experience again the editing, the life na unfiltered about my life as a missionary, a campus missionary na servant tao, tapos I'm in a world of college. But there's more things that you can imagine, and despite ang tagal-tagal na there's still grabe naman yung mga dagat. Actually, ang daming daga sa likod, kaya kung pasensyahan yun ako anong mga nangyayari dito. But again, we're back. False alarm. So, kailangan ko ulit umuwi kasi wala kaming class for drawing. So, I need to go home. Wala din naman akong gagawin today. Pati masama yung pakiramdam ko. Kaya, ayun. Kunti lang yung lips ko habang nasa jeep. Lakad lang. Ang boto lang. Spill.
Boy, ligo kami.
Hindi na basta punta. Next time dapat.